Good morning, student. This is TIBAC Physics Semester 4, Thermodynamics and Statistical Physics. Now we have to discuss the next article, macrostate and macrostate. Now, first one is macrostate. What is by macrostate? Consider a system of very large number of particles, capital N, in a vessel of fixed volume V. The total energy of the system is capital E. The state of the system is specified by its pressure P, temperature T, volume V, and energy E is called as macrostate of the system. If the system is in equilibrium, the macroscopic variables or parameters are P, V, T, E. P means pressure, V means volume, T means temperature, E means energy. Do not vary with time. In order to understand this concept, consider four distinguishable particles A, B, C, and D. Distribute them into two exactly similar compartments in an open box. When any particle is thrown into the box, it must fall into one of two compartments. The possible way in which four particles can be distributed into two compartments are as shown in table 1. How to arrange this distinguishable particle A, B and C? We have to see in the table first. This is the table first. First one is the compartment first and second, and there are distribution number of particles, distribution first, distribution second, third, fourth and fifth. We have to four particles A, B, C and D. How to arrange in this distribution? This is compartment first, this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Exactly, then compartment second, the vice versa particles are arranged 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. No one is same, only this distribution third are the same. Thus, there are 5 different distribution. First one is 0, 4, second one is 1, 3 or 3, 1, third one is 2, 2, fourth one is 3, 1 and fifth one is 4, 0. Each compartment wise distribution of a system of particles is known as a macrostate. This system is known as a macrostate. In general, for a system of n particles, uh, we have to distributed only four particles. Then in general, for a system of n particles, we have distributed in n particles to be distributed in two similar compartments, same as above table. The various macrostates are 0 comma 1 sorry 0 comma n, 1 comma n minus 1, 2 comma n minus 2, up to n minus 1 comma 1, and last one is n comma 0. Therefore, the total number of macrostates for n particles is n plus 1. Now second one is the microstate. What is by microstate? The most complete description of many particle system is given by specifying the position and momenta of its constituent particle. The state of the system characterized by three position coordinates x, y and z, and three momentum coordinates uh, px, py and pz. We already discussed in last article. These six coordinates x, y, z, px, py and pz determine the state of the particle. If there are number of means n number of particles in the system, the state of the entire system is specified by 6n. 6n means 3 are the momentum and 3 are the position coordinates. Total are the 6n coordinates, out of which 3n are the space coordinates and 3n are the momentum coordinates. In equilibrium macrostate, variables P, V and T characterizing the systems are independent of time. However, The particles of the systems are in random motion, and the microscopic states of the system undergo continuous change in course of time. Hence, there is a large number of microstates corresponding to each macrostate. Means single macrostate, number of microstates are present. A macrostate corresponds to a large number of microstates and hence correspond to volume in phase space as shown in figure 1 in order to understand microstate. Macrostate concept. Consider an example of particles which are distinguishable. The number of different possible arrangement in each compartment is shown below table 2. This is the microstates. This is the possible arrangement, compartment first and compartment second, and then last one is number of microstates, capital W is thermodynamic probability. First one, first macrostate we have to see in the last macrostate. First one is 0, 4. Compartment 1 is 0 particles are present, and then compartment 4 are 4 particles are present, A, B, C and D. The thermodynamic probability 1. How to calculate the thermodynamic probability? Then using the formula W of 0, 4 is equal to 4 factorial upon 0 factorial into 4 factorial. The answer is 1. The second one is 1, 3. 1 means first compartment, 3 means second compartment. First compartment goes to 1 particle and second compartment goes to 3 particles. Just like A, B, C, D. These are the single particles in this first compartment. Then BCD, CDA, DAB and ECB. These 3 particles are present in compartment second. Then probability is the 4. Then next one is 2, 2. First compartment are 2 particles and second compartment are 2 particles. Same AB, CD, AC, BD, ED, BC, BC, AD, BD, AC, CD, AB. The probability is 6. Now third one is 3, 1. First compartment 3 particles and second compartment single particle. BCD A, CDA B, DAB C, ABC D. Now the probability is 4. The last one is 4, 0. Exactly vice versa of first macrostate. This is 0, 4 and this is 4, 0. First compartment 4 particles and second compartment 0 particles. The probability same as 1. Okay. Now each distinct arrangement is known as the microstate of the system. The distribution 4, 0 can have only one arrangement. The distribution 1, 3 have 4 distinct arrangements. The distribution 2, 2 can have 6 distribution, and 4, 0 have only one distribution. Thus, a given macrostate must consist of number of microstate. The total number of microstates are 16. How many 16? This is power of 2 raised to power 4. Okay. 2 is the compartment and power is the 4. The answer is 16. In general, for a system of n particles, the total number of microstates are 2 to the power n. Now this is the macrostate and macrostate discussion.